Welcome to the story of one of the greatest monuments of ancient Mesopotamia, the Ziggurat of Ur. Built nearly 4,000 years ago in present-day Iraq, this massive step pyramid was created by King Ur-Nammu and later completed by his son Shulgi. It was dedicated to the moon god Nanna, the protector of the city of Ur. The ziggurat was huge, about 64 meters long, 45 meters wide, and almost 30 meters high. Imagine its towering presence above the city, serving not only as a temple but also as a center of administration and culture. Over centuries, the structure fell into ruins. In the 6th century BC, King Nabonidus of Babylon restored parts of it. Much later, in the 20th century, archaeologists like Sir Leonard Woolley uncovered its history, revealing the grandeur of Sumerian civilization. In modern times, Saddam Hussein ordered partial reconstruction of the facade and staircase. Despite damage from wars, the Ziggurat of Ur still stands today, one of the best preserved ziggurats in Mesopotamia. It remains a powerful symbol of human creativity and devotion, attracting visitors from around the world to witness the legacy of ancient Sumer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more stories from history.